Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Nokia C21 Plus. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here on the top, start search and enter Firefox. Select this browser and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch this app, and here we can customize it. So pick a different theme, you can switch toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, change the privacy settings by standard or strict. You can also read the privacy notice, and finally click on start browsing. From here open any website. And as you can see, the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.